So what do we have here, Caleb?
Remington 700 and 300 Win Mag.
Nice! That looks like it'll drop a grizzly bear, probably, or a nice black sheep, bighorn sheep, somewhere a little more to the west of us. But I think I'm gonna have you, you should see if you can blow a hole through that steel. I don't know if we can. Yeah, hold on a minute. Just a smidge. Got our AR, got the 270 and the 300. Send it! Caleb's gonna get ready. We're not sure if the scope's dialed in, but he's gonna try. Ready? You'll be fine. What? You'll be fine. You guys ready?
Ready?
Hell yeah! Nice!
He blew the stand up.
Hell yeah!
That's awesome.
Good shooting.
Well, it's more accurate than I thought it was.
That was awesome, man.
Big rounds.
That was freaking bad to the bone.
Well, it's within. What's your ballpark?
Just flipped it. All right, Benny. Let's see if he's better than shaky old dad.
Shaking too.
Nice. Come on, do it again, Benny. A little in front of it.
Okay.
It's rough. We should be putting 10 rounders in there.
Wait. Wait, hold it.
Safety
Safety's on.
Okay, I got it. Let's take a break, huh?
Yeah, I can't
Caleb,
hold
want
it
to shoot
up.
this one?
What?
You gonna shoot yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna mine.
I want to use the makeshift bench next.
Hold on.
I'm gonna use a makeshift bench.
Yeah, we need to bench it.